All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Nissan Altima. It is the SL 3.5 liter model. Beautiful silver with black leather interior, alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, sunroof, Navi system, fog lights. Super nice. Best of all, minimal damage around the body. Only 44,000 miles on this vehicle. Bumper looks good, hood looks good, fender looks good, front driver's rim, very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire thread under 730 seconds. Let me double check that. That's correct. Under 730 seconds, above 4. This door looks good. This rear door does have a dent here, less than an inch. PDR work. Got a little chippy here in the front door and another chip on the front door. This quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger rim, very nice. Some curbing here, about an inch. Any tire thread. This under 730 seconds, above 4. Nice shot of your roof. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. Of course, you got power windows, power doors, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Let me jump into this seat. Turn this vehicle on for you. Does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You get your backup camera. Boom, AC controls right down below. Dual AC, heated seats, steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. Here's what your instrument cluster looks like. See, no lights on, except for no lights on. And there's your mileage of 44,987. Open up the trunk. Keep it moving. Keep it moving. This rear seat, no holes, no tears, no rips here. Does have an armrest with cup holders. Rear bumper looks pretty good. Deck lid looks good. Here's a shot of your trunk. Spacing what that looks like, pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here with some tools, and I did tuck away your owner's manuals right there. This quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Some curbing, about 6 inches. Tire thread. Just at the line at 730 seconds. This door looks pretty good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, or rips. Front door here looks pretty good. Front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. I don't see curbing. Tire thread. Under 730 seconds, above 4. Does have a scuffing here. 3, 6, about 6 inches. Actually, this whole thing can be buffed out. That's not a scuffing. Coming around. Boom, boom. Lights are working. Things are running. Folks, once again, this is a 2017 Nissan Altima SL model with 44,000 miles. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.